Hello guys, welcome to Edictra, and in this video we will make a simple headphone stand from cardboard. So let's get started. So for this DIY we will need cardboard, scissor or X-Acto knife, glue and some basic stationery. So first take a piece of cardboard and draw a rectangle of 20 by 13 cm. Now keep the scale slanted approximately 60 degrees from the base and draw lines along both the sides of the scale. Now keep the scale at the base and draw a line at height slightly bigger than the width of the scale and do the same on the upper side. First I was going to add a round cutout to the base, then I decided to cancel it, sorry for that. Now draw a rectangle on the upper side. This slot is where the headphone will be hanged. Keep the width of the slot slightly bigger than the width of the headphone stand. Now cut out the areas which are marked. Now we have to make another piece exactly the same as this one, so just trace it onto another cardboard and cut that also. Now we have to stick both of these pieces, so for that we are going to make box-like structures. So take some more cardboard and draw 8 rectangles of length 9 cm and breadth 1.5 cm. Now cut it out cleanly. Stick 4 of these rectangles to make a box. And similarly make another one. Now bring all the pieces together and stick the boxes onto the first piece. You can mark the positions for reference. Stick the other piece on top of both the boxes. Our headphone stand is ready. A few things you can do better is instead of just sticking one single piece on both the sides, you can add another layer of cardboard so that it gets more thicker and stronger. It's time to test it. Holds perfectly. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and comment. Also if you're making one, then do share the pictures with me on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel to come along the creative journey, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, stay awesome.